traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not investment advice. So this video is another technical analysis candlestick chart online trading video. Yes, it's weekend. You know the OTC market is for European traders closed all the time. Yes, so I cannot do some OTC market trading because I don't know, I don't have it available because I'm a European trader, and so I'm doing those kind of technical analysis and candlestick chart online trading videos to focusing on technical analysis and candlestick analysis, and yes, and the indicators which I use, the Bollinger Band and the EMA in combination with price action, as there is no need of other indicators. I would say that was it. So all my trades and all those things which I'm explaining over and over again are based on those things which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, it's for free. You find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be used for any kind of time frame and any kind of financial instruments. So get this ebook, it's for free. You find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. So the thing is, also in this video you will see how important those things are which I have explained in the ebook. All things which I'm over and over explaining are based on them. So study those things, practice those things, watch the corresponding videos. Yes, you find it at the top of every page of the ebook. Yes, here above you can click on the link, and then you will see the YouTube video. So get this ebook, yes, and study those things because it's important. You will see why in this video too. So okay, let's start because we have no time to waste. And so let me get the video which I'm talking about in this video. So we have this one, and you see I have done already the trade because in the first 30 seconds I already explained the ebook. You know, that is the intro to tell you all to get the ebook. So, and then I entered here on the rejection, and let me explain you this. So we have here, and that is what you should see immediately. We have here ranging market, as you see here and here. Okay, let me get the arrows. So we have here ranging market, you see here and here. Yes, we get a reversal. Yes, and also here and here you see again reversal here and reversal there. So, and after we got here this kind of minor downtrend, yes, minor uptrend, yes, minor downtrend, and that reversal in form of a fake breakout of this area here, this candle got down to this level, yes, and because we are here already in a reversal, I am entering here on the rejection from this level into a call. The movement was a little bit fast. Here we have the support and resistance level. You see here the change of polarity. We have here resistance and support, and that was the reason why I entered almost above this level, because I was pretty much sure that price will retrace back, yes, and that was the reason why I entered. So that was this, you see ranging market, reversal twice here, that is an extreme level, yes, price after this candle price didn't cut down further, yes, that means that we get a reversal. Then there would be here a few trades which I couldn't have taken because I was doing the intro, but I would have done this trade here for sure, yes. And if this not, then I would have taken this trade here, yes, on the rejection from this level here, yes. So, and that was it, that was the explanation. So I will do play, and as soon as there is a trade, I will explain what's happening here. You see also we have not a strong trend, that is a ranging market, maybe price is coming from above, yes, because you see the alignment. We have the 20 EMA, the 50 EMA, and here above the 100 EMA, and somewhere here the 200 EMA. So it shows that we are here in a downtrend, yes, but the longer downtrend, because now the EMAs are getting much more flat. You see also like the 20 SMA, which is really slow. This one here, this is a really slow SMA moving average. That's a simple moving average. It's a slow one. It's getting above this level. That means that price will probably reverse from this level. So 1 second, I have to open the door for the dog. So okay, I'm back. So okay, let's see. As soon as the video or as soon as I enter into a trade, I will stop the video and do the explanation. So, but first of all, this is what I have explained already before. So first of all, that what I have explained before here. You see also here how this flat area of the Bollinger Band, yes, is acting as support and resistance. Yes, you see, and that is what I have shown you already before this. And you see also here this flat middle Bollinger Band, yes, the Bollinger Band, the flat part, it's also support and resistance. And you see here the change of polarity. Yes, you see here resistance. Support, yes, here and here support. And if you would look more in the past, you would see that this was already acting also something like like a resistance, yes. And also here it would be act as resistance if price would be breaks through it. This is what I'm talking about. So, and also here you see here also this flat area here of always if you have flat areas here, you have here support and resistance. Yes, that is almost that what I tried to explain in the last video about the technical analysis. So okay, that was this one. And also here on this level, yes, where I entered into this trade, you see here this flat 1 deviation Bollinger Band, yes, it's horizontal, and that you see how price is reacting here and doing here reversal, yes. And here you see also, and here you see also resistance, 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 yes, and just 1, 2, 3. Okay, here we're 1, 2, 3, 3 touches, yes, of this resistance. And then we got here this kind of candlestick, which is a clear call. Yes, this is the pin bar. It has a long wick, yes, but we are here far away from the 2 deviation and the 1 deviation Bollinger Band at this key level after 3 touches of this level. So inclusive this one here, yes, so that this kind of resistance level is not strong or will be broken soon. Yes, so let's see what's happening here. Yes, I'm entering immediately into a call because of this reason which I have explained before. Yes, we have here 3 touches of this resistance level. Yes, market is doing some kind of panic. We have here also this kind of round number, which is not a real round number. I have explained this, but often this kind of round numbers, also if it's odd, odd values, yes, something like 8, something like 9 or 6, 7, yes. Also, if it's odd numbers, this can act as support and resistance, yes, or those close to this, and you see it's acted here like a yes, as a support level in this case, yes. So I zoomed out to understand if there would be something in the past to get a better overview, the big picture of this, yes, this chart, to understand what's going on. Here I understood now that we are here in ranging market. So, and you see how this candlestick here pushed the price up. So, and that is what, because I got a question from somebody of my subscribers who asked me how to understand the running candle, yes, and how to understand or predict the next candle. And I can say only that you have to understand, if you get after such kind of candle, like this one here, let me show you this. Like this one here, if you get after this kind candle something what looks like a doji, yes, if you would get here a doji, yes, here at this level you get a doji instead of that, something like this. What does this mean? This means, yes, in general, after this doji, if this doji touches this 20 EMA or this 1 deviation or the middle Bollinger Band, it doesn't matter. If it will touch this level, yes, then you can expect that the next candle will go down, yes, because that shows that there is much stronger selling pressure than buying pressure. Obviously, only because we have here an overall downtrend, yes, that is 20, 50, and 100. Yes, price, this candle here is a clear sign that the next candle should should, I say especially should, yes, because it has not to be, yes, but it could or it should be a bullish candle. Anyway, yes, not a strong bullish, but a bullish candle, yes. And if this will not be a bullish candle or even a bearish candle, after such kind of candle, you can expect that there will be a reversal coming up. In this kind of condition, you can expect that there will be a continuation. Obviously, you need confirmation for the next running candle. What's happening? Yes, because after this kind of strong candle, it could be also a fake breakout, yes, and so price would retrace here from this level, because if you look here, if you have here the 0, here the 100 Fibonacci level, yes, you would get here what? Yes, exactly the 50% Fibonacci level, also a round number. Here the 1.171, yes, so you would have here the 50% Fibonacci level, yes, and this round number in confluence. So you should be carefully. You need some kind of evidence that there would be a trend continuation or not. So let me see what's going on here. So let me do a play, and as soon as the price I enter into it, I'm already having the button or the mouse on the higher button. You see, I'm waiting to get a best entry point. Yes, and I pushed the button already, but I didn't enter it, yes, because I saw this strong, sharp up movement. And then after I got this, what I have explained so often in my live trading videos, so I would say watch my live videos, yes, because I'm talking here a lot of theoretical, but in my live trading videos, you see how I interact really, yes. You see, I was already pushing down the button. Let me show you this. In the moment where I push the button, so let me show, I will stop when I push the button, so you see what's happening. So the button will be pushed. Yes, now. So I push the button exactly in this level. I want to enter at this level. As you see, it's a little bit above the closing price of the previous candle. Above on the rejection from the 20 EMA, above the 20 EMA. This candle broke the 20 EMA. We have here this right kind of ranging market. Yes, up, down, up, down, up, down. You know, a ranging market. I have shown you this before. So, and then I entered and I pushed the higher button, yes, but what's happened? This. You see how this kind of movement here, if I would have entered and have released this button, I would have entered at this level here, yes, because you see here also, here support, yes, that means here is a wick, here is a wick, that means that we have here a resistance level, yes, and that was the reason why I didn't release this, because I saw this movement, and then I was waiting to get the best possible entry point. For me, it was clear to do a call, because of this ranging market, yes, this minor waves, this minor trends, minor downtrend, minor uptrend, minor downtrend, minor uptrend in a major downtrend. That is what you should get out of this, because you see here the 100, the 50, and the 20. So yes, then I wait. You see, I'm still pushing here, and on this, when I saw the price is below the closing price of the previous bullish candle, yes. On the bullish candle, you should be below the closing price. On a bearish candle, you should try to be above the closing price to get into a continuation trade, yes, to get the best possible entry point. And that is what I have done here, yes, because you see at the end price is retracing back. Yes, let me see if this would be out of the money in case that I would have entered immediately and released the button immediately. I don't know, but it looks like it would be out of the money, because you see how price, okay, it would be anyway in the money, yes, because we closed a little bit above this kind of area. It would be a fake breakout of this support and resistance level based on this round number 1.171000. Yes. Okay, so that was it. I hope that kind of trading style is you understood this, how you get the best entry point after a rejection. Yes. This anyway, this is here the BOTT Sure Shot 4. Yes, for those one who are interested in the BOTT sure shot, watch this video about the BOTT sure shot, and you will understand that this is this kind of continuation. Important here that you have no price action on the left. Yes, that is what is this. Yes, here the candlestick passed by. Yes, and then obviously when we are talking about price action on the left on the 20 EMA, I'm talking also about this one here, because it's a 20 EMA where we're doing this trade. So you should take this here. Yes, and you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 candles away that we got here this change of polarity. You see here support, resistance, yes, and then we got here support after the rejection. I didn't enter immediately. I waited that we're going to get a rejection from this level, and that is what BOTT sure shot 4 is about. Watch the video about this. Watch this also in the ebook, because and I will maybe also notice this somewhere, but I will do some other videos where I will show you all the live trading examples of the BOTT sure shots. But you see, if something like this will happen, I will trade them always. Yes, but you have to always obviously to have the experience how to spot them. So okay, that was it. So if you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, and if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye bye.